Okay, I'm going to get started on this crack fill. And the first step here is we're going to just give the crack a clean. And I like to use this spray way glass cleaner. It's great, it leaves no residue at all, and it really cleans the area really well. So, and just to refresh you, yesterday I drilled a hole halfway through my glass right there with my glass drill. All right, and today we're going to fill up the crack with the resin that I bought. It's going to give us a little wipe on the inside. Not much. Now, I've never done this before. As with many things I do on the channel, this is my first time. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see it okay, or if it's going to come out okay. One of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little gaffer's tape on my windshield just to get rid of some of the dripping that may happen. Now, gaffer's tape is used in the music business to hold down cables and things so that you can remove it without it sticking to anything. So I'm hoping that the resin may drip down on the gaffer's tape, and that will just leave me less of a mess to clean up when this is finished. At least that's what my thought process is. And that's why I'm putting it here. Okay? So I'm going to fill this crack with the resin, and then we're going to just pull the car out in the sun and let it sit for a couple of hours. Now, I'm in New England. It's a little chilly today. It's 56. So we'll see what happens here. So this is the resin. Comes in two bottles. You don't have to mix it. It's already ready to go. And we're just going to need one bottle. And we're not going to need the whole thing, for sure. And there's 2 razor blades in here. Because when you're done, when it dries, you're supposed to scrape off the excess resin with a razor blade. And there's also some plastic sheets in here that as you go along, you're going to cover the crack with the plastic sheets. All right? At least that's what you're supposed to do. So we'll get to that, and then we'll pull it out in the sun, and hopefully that will make the crack go away. All right, so this is the resin right here. I'm assuming you're supposed to just twist this off, but I'm going to cut it. Okay, I cut the tip of the resin bottle off. There's the tip of the resin bottle cut off. Now I'm going to push on the windshield from the inside and apply these drops of resin to the crack. Now the crack is right here along the top. All right, right along the top. And one thing I must do first is I gotta pick at two areas that have stars in them. One is right here. That's just to make sure any loose pieces of glass are gone. And they are from there. And they are from there. So I think we're ready to fill the crack now. Just give this another little wipe. All right. And it's okay if the tape is here. The tape is not covering the crack at all. All right. Now I'm going to open my car door and stick my hand in and push up on the window as I apply this glass resin. And hopefully that will fill the crack in. Let's see. I don't know what's going to work or not work on this, but we'll see when we get to the end of the project, and we'll see what happens. I mean, in a real professional world, the crack should get filled in and we shouldn't see it anymore. But I don't know if this is complete BS or what, because I've never done it before. But I'm applying resin to the crack like I'm supposed to. I'm going to go all the way down here. Work my way back up the window. I'm pushing from the inside. Hopefully that opens the glass up a little bit, so this nano material, very small molecule liquid, is able to get down in that crack and fill it. That's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping happens. I'm putting a drop where I had the drill piece. Okay? I don't know. This does not look fantastic, I'll tell you right now. I don't see anything filling a crack in. I do not see anything filling a crack in. I do not. Come on. So right now I'm going to pull this tape off. Right? Clear the debris. Inject the medication in the crack. And then put the film flatly in the direction where the medication was injected. All right, so now we're going to go through this just a little bit more. Okay? Going to do it again. And then we're going to put this out in the sun with that film over the crack and let it cure. We're injecting it into the crack now. I don't think I can inject it any more than I have been. I think I'm going to still see the crack, but hopefully it gets repaired. Okay, we're going to leave it like this. And we're going to tap it from the inside to get rid of some of the air bubbles, if there are any. And then we're going to put the film, over the crack. Put it out in the sun. Great. I still see the crack pretty good in there. So I don't know what I'm supposed to expect or not. I'm going to put these sheets over here, like this. And then we'll go pull her out in the sun. That's that piece. We'll give it another little wipe down. All right. Right now, I've done all I can here. I don't know what's going to happen or what's going to be the end result. It's either going to be really good or it's going to stink. But after this, if it doesn't work and the crack isn't sealed and it's still visible, I will go and get my windshield replaced. I was just trying to save the $500 deductible, to be honest with you. That was the only reason for trying this. So you can't blame me for that. You cannot blame me for trying. We'll leave that other razor blade right on the hood. Put this stuff away. And we'll go throw this in the sun. That's the crack from the inside. I'm not really sure what's going to happen here. But we're going to let it sit in the sun for a couple of hours. And then we'll take this off and see what the heck is going on. But as of right now, I don't have a lot of faith in this. I don't know if you can see this. But I'll be back with you in a couple of hours and we'll check it out. Thank you.